Today, let us see how to remove starch from sweet potatoes. We will do this using 3 different stages. Let us take 2 sweet potatoes washed and dried. We will now peel this completely and then cut it into equal halves. As you see, I'm just cutting this into equal halves. Let's take a container with some normal water in it and take these cut sweet potatoes and nicely wash them in this cool water. Now you will see that slowly the water changes its color into whitish tinge, and this is the starch which comes out in the first stage. Now let's move into the second stage quickly. We will now nicely chop the sweet potatoes into small pieces. As you can see, I'm chopping the sweet potato completely into small pieces, and now we will carry these small pieces into the bowl again and wash it again in normal water. As you see, again there is a second round of starch which comes out completely, and this starch again has to be drained out before we use it for cooking. You can see the whitish starch which is coming out. Now we take a bowl of boiling water and then completely immerse these sweet potatoes into the boiling water and allow it to cook partially. Now you can see that as I strain the water from the cooked sweet potatoes, the remaining starch is also coming out completely, and now the sweet potatoes are ready to be had.